what we're going to do is right now, I have hydrogen gas coming through this tube. Okay, so hydrogen gas, we know it's lighter than air, We saw those balloons floating. And we're going to fill this container up with hydrogen gas. So what happened when we lit a hydrogen balloon with a match? What happened to it? Boom! Okay, so it went boom. Gretchen, can you hold and So while Gretchen's doing this, boom's good, but we want a little bit more. So what we're going to do, now is not only are we going to have hydrogen gas, we're going to take this stuff called lycopodium powder. And this is a very fine powder. Every once in a while in the news, you'll hear about an accident at a grain elevator. Okay, when you have small particles like dust from grain or this lycopodium powder, when it gets in the air, it becomes kind of an explosive mixture. So we're going to add maybe a little bit of the lycopodium powder. Just a little bit to this plate to kind of give us a little bit more oomph on our reaction. So we're going to keep on filling this up for just a couple more seconds to make sure that we have plenty of hydrogen in here so we get plenty of bang for our buck and we get a nice big boom. So, can you pull? Thanks, Paul. Alright, so now we have this rocket, and what I'm going to do, or do you want to light it?
No, if you want to light it.
I'll light it. Okay, so I'm going to light it. I'm going to stand far, far away, and I'm going to light, you might want to plug your ears. We're going to light this hydrogen rocket. 1, 2, 3. Well, that was it. That was pretty neat. Well, what's actually going to happen now is hydrogen burns. And as this hydrogen burns, it's going to pull the air from the atmosphere up into this container. So over time, we're going to add more and more oxygen to this container, which is going to make it like the hydrogen oxygen balloon we just looked at. Now, the beautiful thing about this is like any good suspense movie, I don't know when it's going to happen. Our only warning is going to be a slight whining noise that I don't think I hear yet. So we're just going to wait. And eventually,
be very quiet. Quiet. Also look at the wick. If the wick disappears, it's going to happen.